Good morning. Hello. We are here at 1243 South Nedra. It's DR Horton, lot 246. And I'm going to do a quick walkthrough of this property. I'm always in a hurry, it seems like. Back-to-back appointments. This property is bright, light and bright, and almost ready to close in a few weeks here. So they're still doing a few things. I love the light switches here on this place. I haven't even walked in here to turn on lights yet or anything, but the tile is beautiful. It is clean. It has quite a few rooms here. I was here to do this house before when it was under construction. It looks totally different. Here is the garage. I'm glad that this place was, unlocked. Has a soft water loop. And there's the tank for the hot water. And it's got two garage door openers for the 3-car garage. Coming on in here to the kitchen. Huge pantry. Extra tile there. I think there's a light in here as well. Yeah, nice. Gas stove, microwave, whirlpool, appliances, sink, pull-out faucet, and dishwasher. Lots of room here in between the island and the stove there, which is really nice. The great room over here is wonderful, and then you have this extra space over here that you can have for a table or sitting area. Looks like somebody left some change there. Interesting. How I get distracted. Amazing. So you go over here to the right, and there's even more rooms. So you have this space over here, another room, this good sized room, and beautiful views out this window. Everywhere you look, there's views. And then you have a bathroom here, another one, full bath. Very nice. And then an adjoining room, adjacent room with, again, views, and a pretty good sized closet here. It's deceiving in this because it kind of goes down and around. So we'll go out here. So you got those two rooms over there. Then you have these two rooms over here. I think these are the larger of them. And then you have the primary suite. Well, then you have the laundry room over here, which is pretty good. I love this tile. So here's the primary suite right here. I like it. Again, and I'll go out here. But you got these two rooms that face kind of north-ish. Yeah, it's exactly almost due north. Those are the Catalinas out there. So, yeah, it's such a nice view. This lot is perfect. So here is the primary bath. And let me see if I can get some lights in here. Cool. Big. So you got the double sinks here. And then you have shower. Nice walk-in closet. And the library. That's a lot of space in there. That's a good amount of space. I like it. Over here you have a place to store stuff. Some people could enclose that or would enclose it. Some people would like it open. Again, ample space in here. These switches, you can actually get the pieces. You can order pieces online and have, you know, these put in for dimmers and then control them from all over the world, anywhere in the world. So you only have one person, one neighbor, and that's that person right over there. They kind of sit down low, so that's nice. So we'll open this up. There's a large cricket there. Wow. Alrighty. So here we are. Yeah, so those people sit down low. So you could probably put a little trellis or something over here and never even know that anybody's over there. But over there, you have views, because it just kind of goes. And then you have view fencing. And of course, the second I come out here, you have a plane. But that is pretty much it. It's much better here in person. When you're here, that's about what I look at when I'm here. That's the view. Kinda. Maybe that's a little bit zoom, but yeah, it's a nice view. So I will walk out here. Awesome yard. Look at how far down that is. I'm gonna go down. It goes down. You're up. Then you got views over there. Oh, it's just an amazing. It's just an amazing. And you got a double fence, double gate. Sorry. So, yep, definitely a winner. This house, all day, every day. I am going to wrap up this video and move on to the next place. And we will hopefully see you guys soon. I barely turned on any lights in this house. That's how nice and bright it is. So we will talk to you soon. Bye.